Okay, so this is just probably a warning video to other traders out there. Just beware. Just beware. The broker can close your account. We'll quickly talk about why the broker that I'm using, you can see there is Deriv, decided to close one of my accounts with them. It's not because I did anything shady or I broke one of their rules or anything like that. So before we get into the video, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing. That's how you get notified when we post future videos. Like this video, that's the only thing I'll ever ask you to do. I don't ask you to buy anything from me. I don't sell you things. Everything that we do on this channel is for free. Probably it's for entertainment for you, but my hope is that you actually learn one or two things. Talking about free things, if you are looking for Forex robots, indicators, books, systems, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. So getting back to the video, why did my broker close one of my accounts? So the reason that Deriv decided to close one of my accounts, I actually had two accounts with them. One was for synthetic indices and the other one was for Forex trading. The Forex trading one was just my secondary account because my primary one is with XM. So I was just using that as a secondary account, but my usual trading is actually on XM. But when I do synthetic indices, boom and crash, volatility, I actually use Deriv. So that account sometimes would be inactive. Sometimes I would not use it for some time and stuff like that. So according to Deriv, there had not been any activity on that account for the past 30 days. That's why they decided to close it. No worries, the money that was in that account, they basically moved it back to my holding account. If you use Deriv, you understand what I mean. You actually have a sort of a holding account where you actually make your deposits into. Then from there you can actually disperse the monies that you have to your various accounts, whether it's a synthetic account, Forex account, and stuff like that. This does not mean that I've been banned by Deriv. I think that's the important point to make. This happens with every broker out there. You need to read the terms and conditions. That's why it's important to read the terms and conditions. Don't just sign up with brokers. Read the terms and conditions. Here, Deriv closed my account after 30 days of inactivity. With some brokers, it's actually 180. I think it's 180 days. That's basically maybe 6 months or something like that. For some, it's 90 days. For some, it's a year. And for some, they actually do it the other way. They don't automatically close your trading account. What they actually do is they start charging you what's called a dormant fee. When your account is just dormant, they start deducting fees from that account to keep it open. So one would ask, but why would they close the account? Why would they start charging you? What's the deal? You must understand that these brokers are in this industry for one thing only. They are businesses, and the sole goal of businesses is to what? Is to make money. That's their sole goal. So if you are not trading with your account, it means they are not making any money. It means they're not making any money, because for brokers to make money, they need to charge you commissions, or they need to charge you fees, or they need to charge you whatever they charge you through spread. So they can charge you fees for deposits, for withdrawals, for many other things. And they can also charge you through spread. That's why you find different brokers using different spread when you're trading. If you don't know what spread is, now you know. Spread is the difference between the bid and ask price. Whatever that you have there is the broker's fees. That's how they make their money. The difference between the bid price and the ask price. Then some brokers also charge commissions. Each time you place a buy, they charge you a commission for entering that trade. Each time you place a sell, they charge you a commission for that. Some brokers, every close of trade, they charge you a commission. So generally, that's how brokers make their money. So if your account is just sitting there idle, you are sort of basically just using their resources and they are not making any money. So in order to recoup, if you may, some of their expenses, then they start charging you what? Those dormant fees or inactive account fees. So just check with your broker, when does that kick in. Is there a way around this? Of course, yes. It's just probably it's too late for me concerning this account. But what you could do is just keep tabs on the account that you are not using for any reason. Maybe you are too busy doing other things and you are not able to trade during that period. So what you can just do is, if for me, for example, it's 30 days of inactivity. That's why they closed the account. Probably yesterday I could have just logged into the account, placed a random buy and closed it, or a random sell and closed it immediately after that. That counts as an as activity, and they would have not closed their account today. uh, Inactivity fees and stuff like that is not actually new. Credit card companies actually used to do it. If you have a credit card and you are not using it, they used to start deducting these inactivity dormant account fees. I think some banks do it as well. If you just have a bank account and you are not using that bank account, they basically just start deducting monies, and you might actually end up owing the bank. So it's everywhere. So for credit card companies, actually, some laws came in, I think, around 2009, 2010, and stuff like that. So it kind of died down in the credit card industry. But when it comes to stock exchange, foreign exchange, I think brokers are still allowed to do this. And so just check with the terms and conditions with your broker. For how long should your account be inactive before they start deducting money from it, or before they close it? Okay, I hope you learned something today. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video. Until next time, bye.